Good evening, I'm Alex, and welcome to our special coverage of Newcastle's New Year's Eve event. It's an exciting time as the city gears up for a night of celebration at the Harbour Foreshore.
That's right, Alex. I'm Jamie, and with the event scheduled from 5 p.m. to 9:15 p.m., there's plenty planned for everyone in the community to enjoy. This event is all about fostering joy and connection as we ring in the new year.
The event features a host of activities, starting with its distinct zones catering to different interests. These include the Wish Exchange, where guests can share their hopes and dreams with the crowd. It's a great opportunity for reflection as we look forward to the upcoming year.
Absolutely, Alex. Besides the Wish Exchange, there's also a kids' zone designed to be a summer holiday-inspired wonderland. It offers carnival-style activities, sideshow games, workshops, and a toddler jumping castle. Safe to say, there's something for every child in attendance.
And let's not forget about the live music at the station and the two designated picnic zones. These areas provide the perfect spot for relaxation amidst the festivities. Plus, there are multiple food vendors set up in what they're calling Eat Streets, serving a variety of delicious options.
For those who love a good DJ setup, there are 3 stations to enjoy, complete with a step-up and shoot selfie camera to capture those fun moments. An accessible viewing platform ensures everyone can take part in the celebrations.
The evening culminates with a spectacular fireworks display starting at 9 p.m. The display will last for 12 thrilling minutes, launched from a barge in the harbor, promising to be a visual treat that will light up the night sky.
Yes, and the event officially concludes at 9:15 p.m. This community celebration is produced by local creatives and features homegrown vendors and entertainment, underscoring the event's focus on inclusivity and local talent.
Events like these highlight the vibrant culture and community spirit in Newcastle. It's an exciting way to embrace the new year with a sense of unity and joy.
Indeed, Alex. As we count down to the final moments of the year, it's events like these that bring us together and remind us of the importance of community, creativity, and celebration.
Thanks for joining us, Jamie, and to our listeners, wishing everyone a happy and safe new year from all of us here. Enjoy the celebrations. As we were saying, the Newcastle New Year's Eve event truly captures the city's unique community spirit. Starting in the late afternoon, the event offers a perfect blend of activities for all ages. Let's talk a bit more about the Wish Exchange. It's an intriguing concept, one that encourages people to not only share their hopes for the coming year, but also exchange them with others in the community. Have you personally participated in something like this before?
Yes, I have, and it's a really meaningful experience. It gives people a chance to not only reflect on their own wishes, but also to connect with others on a deeper level. The Wish Exchange stands out as an opportunity to foster empathy and understanding among attendees. From what I gather, the facilitators help guide the conversations, ensuring everyone feels comfortable and open to sharing. It's all about building a supportive community environment.
Exactly, and that's just one aspect of the event. The inclusivity of the activities also extends to their kids' zone, which is quite impressive. Often, at events like these, children might feel sidelined or bored, but Newcastle's approach ensures there's something engaging for every child. The activities are not just entertaining but educational too. From arts and crafts to interactive storytelling sessions, there's truly something for every youngster.
And it seems like the aim is to engage them in a way that also highlights the city's culture and history. Instilling a sense of community and belonging from an early age. It's clear that the organizers have put a lot of thought into creating an atmosphere where children can learn while having fun. Now, moving on to the live music aspect, which is another key feature of the night. Could you share a bit more about that?
Of course, the live music performances are primarily from local bands and artists, showcasing a diverse range of genres. Whether you're into jazz, rock, or pop, there's something for everyone. This is a fantastic platform for local talent to shine and an opportunity for attendees to discover new favorite artists. The inclusion of music from varied genres ensures a lively energy keeps flowing throughout the evening.
It really elevates the atmosphere, doesn't it? Plus, giving the stage to local performers also promotes the regional music scene, providing these artists with the exposure they need. Attendees can enjoy the performances while perhaps sampling some of the delicious local food offerings. Let's delve a bit into the culinary aspect next. What can people expect on the food front at this event?
The food selection is another highlight, serving a wide array of options that reflect Newcastle's diverse community. There are food stalls featuring everything from traditional fish and chips to more exotic flavors like Thai and Mexican cuisine. It's a gastronomic journey around the world, right there in Newcastle. The organizers have clearly catered to a broad palette, ensuring that everyone can find something they enjoy.
It's wonderful how the event encapsulates such diversity. Now, before we conclude, we have to mention the crowning glory of the evening, the fireworks display. This 12-minute showcase is a much-anticipated highlight. Can you tell us about the kind of atmosphere this creates?
The fireworks display is really the icing on the cake, offering a spectacular visual celebration that caps off the night perfectly. Coordinated to music, the fireworks light up the night sky in an awe-inspiring manner. It's something that leaves everyone in wonder and provides a shared sense of joy and hope as the year concludes. It's truly a sight to behold, bringing the community together in a moment of reflection and excitement.
Absolutely, and it's a fitting end to an event that is all about unity and celebration. Let's not forget how integral the contributions from local creatives and volunteers have been in bringing this entire event to life. Their hard work and dedication shine through every aspect, from planning to execution. It's this collective community effort that makes Newcastle's New Year's Eve event so unique and special.
Indeed, it's a true testament to the power of community spirit. We hope that this celebration continues to grow and inspire other cities to implement similar inclusive, creative, and community-focused events. All right, that wraps up our coverage for today. Enjoy the festivities and Happy New Year, Newcastle.